Good morning, dear students. As already I have given you summary of this poem, Sympathy. So, I'm going to explain your second poem, that is Sympathy. It is composed by Charles Mackay, and the first stanza is here in front of you. See the stanza and I will explain it. I lay in sorrow, deep distress, my grief a proud manhood. His looks were cold. He gave me gold, but not a kindly word. Here, the deep distress means what? Extremely sad. Deep distress means what? Extremely sad. बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी होना. And what is the meaning of sorrow? Feeling of sadness. So, in the first stanza, the poet says that once he fell sick and he was lying down full of sorrow and disappointment. A proud man. What is the meaning of the proud man here? An arrogant man. Ghamandi admi. Okay. A proud man came to know about the ill health of the poet. His looks were cold, he gave me gold, but not a kindly word. When the proud man came to know about poor health of the poet, the proud man came to meet the poet and helped him with money, but did not say any kind word to the poet. Now, see the second stanza. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me, then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Here, the difficult word is what? Paid back. That means gave back. Okay. Now, erect means here what? Being in a straight position with dignity. Blessed, you know very well. Wished for the good fate. Charity means what? Something given to help the needy. A kind of help. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me, then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Try to understand. In the second stanza, the poet says that when his suffering was over, when he became healthy, the poet paid the money to rich man, to the proud man. He just returned his money to the proud man with high dignity and self-respect. He returned not only money, the poet not only returned his money, but also he thanked the proud man. पोएट सिर्फ उसके पैसे ही वापस नहीं करता है, बल्कि उन्हें धन्यवाद भी करता है. उस प्राउड मैन को धन्यवाद भी करता है फॉर हिज हेल्प, एंड ऑल्सो द पोएट ब्लेस्ड हिज चैरिटी. ही एक्सप्रेस्ड हिज ग्रेटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स द प्राउड मैन, बिकॉज व्हेन ही वाज सिक, प्राउड मैन helped the poet with money. Now, see the next stanza. Let me scroll. I lay in want and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. He bound my head. He gave me bread. He washed me night and day. In this stanza, the poet says that he fell again ill. He became sick again. Who became sick again? The poet. And this time a poor man passed my way. That means this time a poor man came to help the poet. Although the poor man gave him no money, but he took care of the poet very much. Here, bound is a word that means praised. The poor man cared the poet with his true heart. He praised his head. He took care the poet very much. And the poor man gave him also bread to eat. And because the poor man cared the poet with his full heart and gave him sympathy, show his sympathy, as well as gave the poet bread to eat in this way, and he also took care of the poet day and night. Because of this great care, the poet became healthy very soon. Now see the next stanza. Let me scroll the page. यहाँ तक आपने देखा कि दोबारा जब पुअर आदमी को पता चलता है और वो आता है, उनका ख्याल रखता है, तो पोएट बहुत जल्दी सही हो जाते हैं, ठीक हो जाते हैं. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा.